For Global Crypto News, I'm Edward. Steve Chiavarone, a portfolio manager at Federated Investors, a company which looks after approximately $360 billion in assets, said recently in an interview that blockchain technology would be the start of a new industrial revolution. In a recent CNBC interview, he had this to say: "When you think about it from an enterprise perspective, it has the ability to replace reconciliation, which is expensive and requires back office, time, and paperwork, with more instantaneous verification. What that means is companies can have more efficient supply chains. They can cut off their back and middle office costs, and that will allow businesses to flow more efficiently and allow costs to be cut and the savings to be passed along. We think blockchain will be one of the 5 key technologies, along with automation, robotics, AI, and the Internet of Things." Chiavarone went on to explain that banks are now investing very heavily in blockchain technology, mainly due to demand from consumers. In the beginning, it was just Bitcoin that worked on these markets, but now banks are looking at a whole bunch of different blockchains and different cryptocurrency technologies. On a similar wavelength, this week, Roger Ver, the CEO of Bitcoin.com, had a tweet which embodied the same sentiment. His tweet read, "Bitcoin Cash is building all the tools to make it useful as cash for the entire world." Now, while Mr. Ver has obviously a vested interest in seeing that Bitcoin Cash come further into the mainstream, it is an exciting time when blockchain is becoming more mainstream and being adopted by major banks and other institutions. Should the major banks of the world invest billions of dollars into these different networks and platforms, there should be a huge surge in wealth and stability across the board. For Global Crypto News, this is Edward. Until next time, you take care.